Yay, Connor's first muddy puddle.
I'll go again. It's just like Christopher Robin and his wellies.
That's right. Ew, wow. Okay, come back the other way and Mommy will get his face. Yay! Yay!
Okay, that's enough, Connor.
Daddy, but that's so much damn fun. Oh,
We got another puddle. Wait, we got another puddle. Got another one.
am I gonna walk in it?
Nope.
Oh,
Connor.
Connor.
Connor, look. It's
Look
another
ahead
one.
of.
Yay!
Yay!
We're gonna turn around? No, we're gonna keep going now. Oh, yep, we're gonna turn around. Go back.
Yay! Daddy's pants are getting dirty too.
Yep. Wow, look at Connor's.
He's saying something.
Now we'll be able to see how good the boots are. We'll test his socks and see if any water came through. Okay, let's keep going now, buddy.